Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.
Welcome to this very special AI-generated price analysis. In this weekly price analysis, we will cover Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Solana. First, the market update. The crypto market continued its bullish momentum over the last week, with the total crypto market cap settling above the $1 trillion level for the first time since November 2022. Bitcoin has broken above multiple strong resistance levels with strong volumes, showcasing strength in the rally. It is now trading above the $23,000 level, gaining over 9% over the last 7 days. The Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index continues to be in the neutral zone as investors seem less fearful of the current market conditions. With the improvement in market sentiments in the last couple of days, trading activity has soared, seen in the top 10 cryptos and other popular crypto coins. Moving to the price analysis section, we will start with Ethereum. Ethereum is consolidating gains above the 136,640 rupee level or $1,600. Over the weekend, the price of Ethereum began a downward correction from the 1,43,472 rupee resistance zone. ETH, like Bitcoin, has corrected downward below the 1,41,000 rupees and 1,38,350 rupee levels. Now, ETH is showing signs of life and may begin another rise beyond 1,41,000 rupees. The price of Ether is currently trading over 136,640 rupees and the 100 hourly simple moving average. On the hourly chart of ETH USD, a significant bullish flag is forming with resistance at 1,40,000 rupees. The channel resistance and an immediate resistance are both at the 1,41,000 rupees. The next significant resistance is at 1,42,200 rupee level. A breach over the 1,42,200 rupee resistance level might spark a new rise. In the aforementioned scenario, the price may grow, approaching the 1,47,000 rupees and 1,53,700 rupee levels in the short term. Ethereum is also getting fundamental support in the form of a higher burn rate of ETH tokens and an increased staking rate ahead of the Shanghai update, which is slated for March. It is estimated that over 16 million ETH tokens are staked on Ethereum's Beacon chain. Dogecoin. The 4-hour Dogecoin price chart analysis indicates that today's price moves are positive. Because of the quick bullish rebound, the price has been trending upward during the last 24 hours. Although the bears had won consecutively in the previous week due to the downward trend line, the trend has reversed now. Volatility is strong, which is a favorable indicator for future market developments, and the price may receive another bullish push. If the Doge price hits above the 7 rupees and 70 paise level, it may rise towards the 8 rupees and 40 paise level in the near term. Below, 50 EMA slope and 7 rupees and 25 paise level and 5 rupees and 80 paise level are strong support regions for Doge. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, graph shows a rising curve, and the score has risen to 55. The indicator's increasing graph indicates increased market purchasing activity. Solana. Sol is one of the top gainers of 2023, rising from the 770 rupee level at the start of 2023, and is currently trading near the 2,135 rupee level, helping it to break into the top 10 crypto rank. On the 4-hourly price chart, Sol is consolidating gains and forming a strong base around. A break above the 2,135 rupee level with strong volumes would be extremely positive for the counter and help Sol to recover some of the lost grounds. The next major resistance is at the 2,650 rupee level, and then the next resistance is at around 2,950 rupee level. However, you need to be cautious. If the RSI value breaks below the 50 level, then we can witness a bit of selling pressure. In that case, 1,960 rupees is likely to provide strong support along with the 50 EMA slope on the 4-hourly chart. This is all about this week's price analysis. Do let us know in the comment section which coins you would like to hear in the next price analysis video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then do like and share it. Also, make sure to subscribe to CoinSwitch's YouTube channel.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.